Good morning, students. Today discuss lesson number 7, class 12 of biology. Lesson name transpiration. What is transpiration? Transpiration. What is transpiration? Transpiration, the loss of water in the vapor form. The loss of water in the water form. तो लीव्स से जल का वाष्प के रूप में उड़ना ही क्या कहलाता है? ट्रांसपायरेशन. द लॉस ऑफ वाटर इन द वेपर फॉर्म. बट while loss in liquid form is called a guttation. The loss of water in the vapor form is called transpiration, but while loss in liquid form is called a guttation. The type of transpiration, mainly three type of transpiration: stomatal transpiration, cuticular transpiration, lenticular transpiration. The main transpiration is called stomatal transpiration. In environment present 50 to 97% stomatal transpiration present. The main part of transpiration stomata present on upper form and lower surface or upper surface of leaves. Stomata, main transpiration of stomatal transpiration. Cuticular transpiration, cuticle present of xerophyte plants या desert plants. Cuticle is present as a very thick layer on the surface of the leaves. Epidermis, cuticular, the present of a epidermis, xerophyte plants. Only 10 to 10% transpiration, only cuticle transpiration. Cuticle transfer only 3 to 10%. Stomatal transpiration 50 to 97%. Third type of transpiration, lenticular transpiration. What is lenticles? These are minute openings in the bark of woody stems, surface of branches, and on fruits. These minute pores are called lenticles. What is lenticles? The minute pores of stems, branches, and fruits. These pores are called lenticles. Only 0.1% transpiration present lenticles transpiration. So type of transpiration. The first question, what is transpiration? The loss of water in the vapor form is called transpiration. Type of transpiration: stomatal transpiration, cuticular transpiration, lenticular transpiration. Main part of transpiration, stomatal transpiration. This transpiration by stomata, cuticular transpiration, cuticles, lenticular transpiration, lenticles. In this lesson, main explain stomatal transpiration. In this lesson, main explain stomatal transpiration. Stomatal, the internal structure of a leaves. Internal structure, the upper layer, upper epidermis, and lower epidermis. Upper epidermis and lower epidermis between present main tissue, mesophyll. Mesophyll, dicot plants is mesophyll divided into two parts, differentiated into two parts: palisade tissue and a spongy tissue. Palisade tissue and a spongy tissue. Mesophyll, upper epidermis, lower epidermis, upper layer, lower layer between present mesophyll. Mesophylls tissue divided, palisade tissue and spongy tissue. Type of leaves. Type of leaves present of stomata. स्टोमेटा के आधार पर लीव्स 3 टाइप की होती हैं. टाइप्स ऑफ लीव्स प्रेजेंस ऑफ स्टोमेटा: हाइपोस्टोमेटिक, एम्फिस्टोमेटिक, हाइपोस्टोमेटिक लीव्स. When stomata are present only lower surface hypostomatic leaves. Only stomata present leaves only lower surface. Example apple. This type leaves, apple type leaves. And dicot plant. The hypostomatic apples only stomata present of a lower surface. Amphistomatic या oat-stomatic stomata present upper surface and lower surface. Both दोनों साइड में स्टोमेटा प्रेजेंट होते हैं. When leaves passes stomata on both the surface in almost equal number are terms amphistomatic type leaves. Example monocot plants. Third type of leaves epistomatic या lily type leaves. Water lily. Example lily, water lily. Only stomata present upper surface. Only stomata present only upper surface. Example water lily. Other example hydrophytic plants. जलीय पादप, hydrophytic plants. Please remember what is transpiration. Transpiration, the loss of water in the water vapors. Type of transpiration, 3 types: stomatal transpiration, cuticular transpiration, lenticular transpiration. Main transpiration, stomatal transpiration 93%, 50 to 90% by stomata. Cuticular 3 to 10% by cuticles. Lenticular 0.10% lenticles. What is lenticles? Stomatal, in this chapter explains stomatal transpiration. Mesophyll differentiated 2 types: pellicid tissue and spongy tissue. Type of leaves, presence of stomata. Main 3 type of leaves: hypostomatic, amphistomatic, epistomatic. Hypostomatic apple type leaves, amphistomatic oat type leaves, epistomatic lily. Next question. Structure of a stomata. Structure of a stomata. Main structure of stomata: kidney shaped. Main structure of stomata, kidney shaped. Main cell of a guard cell, kidney shaped. Guard cell, stomata, or stomatal, or other cells, subsidiary cells present in a chlorophyll guard cell. Chloroplast. Other cells, subsidiary cells. Main cells, guard cells. Other cells, subsidiary cells. Stomatal opening. (50 to 3 stomata present in square millimeter of leaf area. या 50 से 60,000. ये मेक स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ main cells, the kidney shaped, the name of cells guard cells. The outer wall of these cells is thin and inner wall is the thick. तो inner wall is thick outer wall thin, surrounded by some specialized epidermal cells, subsidiary cells. When the guard cell become turgid, stomata open and flaccid stomata close. Mechanism of a stomata movement.